Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to your Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. In this Word of the Day video, we are going to learn about and use the adjective defective. Defective. Defective is used to describe something that is not made correctly and not working. Let's use defective in a few sentences. This computer that I purchased does not work. It is clearly defective and I want my money back. The disease is caused by a defective gene. Joan took her car back to the dealer who had sold it to her, asking that the lock be repaired for free since it never worked properly and was clearly defective. I hope you could find some opportunities to use the adjective defective in your everyday English conversations. My name is Jason. This has been your Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to receive notifications about new video English lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you again.